In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off sync contacts on TikTok. That is quite simple and easy to do, guys, so let's begin. And first, open up your TikTok application and at the bottom right, hit at your profile. There, hit on these three lines icon and select Settings and Privacy. Now, here, hit on Privacy. And there find Sync Contacts and Facebook Friends and hit on that. Now you can enable or disable Sync Contacts option. When this option is enabled, your contacts from your contact book will be synced with TikTok. In order to turn off sync contacts on TikTok, just disable that option. That's all about how to turn off sync contacts on TikTok. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.